Hey everybody, welcome back to Baddie Guide. It's your girl Ayana, and today we are going to be doing some chrome heart snake skin nails. In this video, we're mainly going to be doing the design portion. For the snake skin, all that is a foil that I laid before I laid my acrylic. For the hand-painted design, we will be using the Savvyland liner gels. This is the first color I'm going in with. My original plan just started off with pink and purple, but then I also looked at the actual snake skin and I was like, well, this does have pink, purple, white, and black, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with that. So how I achieve this cross is the first thing I do is make a line all the way down and then a line across, and then you're gonna make like little dips into a diamond. So it's going to be like a dipped in diamond. Instead of having straight edges, they're going to be curved. And I'm just trying to make that as well as I possibly can. And this is just going to be the base layer of our color. As soon as we're done with that pink layer, I just go in with my purple and I kind of just do the same exact cross, except I put it a little bit off centered so that you could see that pink outline. Now that original pink outline we used, I did end up going ahead and using a different color to outline, which you will see here in a second, but that still did work great as a base for the purple, just so you could see the color more. Now on the middle and the pinky finger, I decided to go in with this abstract line, just a random lining, because I was kind of getting tired of French, so I did not want to do French with that. So I just made like this Y shape, and I did that for the middle finger and the pinky. Now for the thumb and index finger, I'm just going to outline the nail with that purple color so it could be highlighted. I'm in the building. Everybody get on the dance floor. This girl got a dope. She finna shake it all night. Wow, wow. She got a dope. 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 Shake it out. 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 Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. She got a dope. Dope. Watch her hit the flow. Flow. I like the way she move and the way she snap it. Way she snap it. We ain't going down. I got 5,000 ones. Me, you, and you. We about to have fun. Now go make it clap. That right there. Serving on something that match my shirt. I like her.
thing. I see that upper bottom hanging out that G-string. On fire, hot to my legs. I'm the one tell them. Me and my compadres, that's on deck. Girls on deck. Now that I'm on a rab up next. Hung up my phone and I cash my check. Last time the party girl get soaking wet. Wow. She got a don't. 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 Shake salt, 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 wow, shake salt, wow, shake salt, wow, shake salt, wow, wow. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it.
When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, hoe tiny shit like 3-0 twin.
Now on those little abstract lines we drew, we're just gonna go in with black and add like a line in the middle of it.
Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it, bitch. You know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I would say it, bitch. I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir.
Shout it rock to the beat for your boy. Shout it, yeah, yeah.
Money in the bank, money in the bank.
Of course I had to go in with the 3-star charms. At first I was like, oh, okay, this looks good like this. And then I noticed there was just some extra we could add. So on the middle finger, I went ahead and added another cross so it could look less bare. And in this cross, it's going to be black. Once I'm done with this cross, that's when I came out with the wonderful idea, okay, maybe I should outline them to make the crosses pop more, which is exactly what I did, and I'll show you how I did that in a second here.
My surfing when she me, hard as a rock when she touched me, looking out cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. Time went by, turned you into a butterfly. How to say hello, tell you goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonia, it was Tanya, it was Bonnie, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say.
Now that we have the black down as a base cross, we're just going to use the white to go over it. So that will be the top of the cross and the black will be sort of like the outlining. For the white, it will require a second coat just so the white could pop and it's not looking see-through.
Wow, wow, she got a don't, she got a don't, she got a don't, she got a don't. 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 Shake salt, 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 wow, shake salt, wow, shake salt, wow, shake salt, wow. She got a don't.
Now what you're gonna see me do is make the shape more 3D. So I just added white to the outside portion where the pink was still sticking out to make it look 3D. And then I'm also gonna be adding black right underneath that to the bottom portion to make it look shadowed. And then I just repeat with the other nail. Instead of adding those colors, I'll be adding purple. And then the first thing I go in was with this Model 1's top coat. I only put the shine on the part with the snake skin. Everything else got matte to bring the design together.
To the flow, lower, get low to the flow, lower, get low to the flow, lower, get low to the flow, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it.
When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss, bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, hoe tiny shit like 3-0 twin. Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it. Bitch, you know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I would say it. Bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir.
Shout it rock to the beat for your boy. Shout it, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank.
Shout it, clap it, shout it, type it. Should've stayed there all night, it. With you. I missed you, picture it. Now it's time I get back up with you.
And then these were my 3 choices for the charms. It was either gonna be this sweet or the other, oh, what's her name? That is not Kurumi, but, or this one. And this one just stood out the most to me because the other one was like a black shiny one. It was between that and the black one. And it kind of gave like a cat eye effect. And I was like, I could use that for more of like a punk rock set. So we went with this purple and white one. And then we're just going to go ahead and glue it on. For this piece, you do have to make sure that there is a lot of glue. Just because it's such a big piece. And you do want to make sure it is secured.
Very fragrance on my shirt from when she hugged me. Hard as a rock when she touched me. Looking out, but she would've.
And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for tuning in to Baddie's Guide. See you next time.